Oh, okay. Hey, what's up, you guys? I'm Super Diamond, and I'm back with another video. Yay! What we're doing is here. Let's shake one. We're going to do the exploding pop challenge thing that I came up with. What we're going to do is we're shaking up pop right now. We're gonna set it right here, right there. Once it's really good and shook up, and we're gonna take turns with using Carl Craft's BB gun. Oh yeah, this baby ready for exploding. This baby ready. She's ready. And whoever explodes their pop first wins.
I'm gonna shoot.
So, yeah. And I'm excited. I've never done this before. So, yeah, I'm kind of scared. But, you know what? We should probably
move that one. No. Malin, no.
Your dad's gonna get pissed off?
Just move it over there.
Okay.
Now I'm gonna move this back.
Alright. Let's get started. Oh, he exploded his on the first shot. Woo! Let's see if I can do that to mine. Okay, so
Coming.
here goes.
Oh my gosh.
That thing went haywire mental. It started spinning and it got me wet. Oh, it even got the camera wet. Oh my word. That was awesome though. There's Carl's mess. There's mine. It went up and all over the place. There's a kid over here. That was awesome. That was freaking awesome.
Take a picture, a thing of water.
Like, oh my word. Okay, so I know it was a short video. I'm gonna post some maybe tomorrow, throughout the week of my weekend. I had a lot of fun. I got to go see Divergent. I was so excited.
Okay.
I like really want to spoil it for those of you who haven't seen it, but I'm not. I'm gonna contain it. I'm not gonna let it show. No.
I have to go clean it out now.
But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel, Super Diamond. And thank you guys so much for watching. I'm Super Diamond, and I will see you all later. Bye.